On 29 May 2004, a Saturday, 4 men armed with guns and bombs attacked 2 oil industry installations and a residential compound, in Al-Khobar, Saudi Arabia, the hub of the Saudi oil industry. Over approximately 25 hours, the gunmen, describing themselves as members of the Jerusalem Squadron or Jerusalem Brigade, killed 22 and injured 25, mainly third country national personnel working in Khobar. Their targets were the Arab Petroleum Investments Corporation building and the Al-Khobar Petroleum Centre, and a foreign workers' housing complex, the Oasis Compound, in the Gulf city of Khobar. Their victims included 19 foreigners from 9 countries, 8 people from India, 3 from the Philippines, 2 from Sri Lanka, 1 each from Sweden, Italy, England, the United States, South Africa and Egypt. According to witnesses, the attackers asked the hostages if they were Christian or Muslim, letting the Muslims go with a lecture, and slitting the throats of non-Muslims. One victim was tied to the back of a vehicle and dragged through the street. Saudi security forces have been criticized for not being better prepared after a similar attack on foreign workers in Yanbu al Bahr a month earlier, and for allowing ease of movement and operation by the assailants, including the escape of 3 of the 4.